Welcome to our channel Uplift Quotes, inspiring words for a brighter tomorrow. We become what we think about most of the time. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. The key that unlocks energy is desire. It's also the key to a long and interesting life. If we expect to create any drive, any real force within ourselves, we have to get excited. Success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Your problem is to bridge the gap between where you are now and the goals you intend to reach. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying the basic fundamentals. Everything begins with an idea. We tend to live up to our expectations. The biggest mistake that you can make is to believe that you are working for somebody else. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. You are at this moment standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. The only person who succeeds is the person who is progressively realizing a worthy ideal. The happiest people in the world are those who feel absolutely terrific about themselves. And this is the natural outgrowth of accepting total responsibility for every part of their life. The more you seek security, the less of it you have. But the more you seek opportunity, the more likely it is that you will achieve the security you desire. We are at our very best, and we are happiest when we are fully engaged in work we enjoy on the journey toward the goal we've established for ourselves. Your success will always be measured by the quality and quantity of service you render.